We're gonna cruise on down this road here. Look at these nice little ice waterfalls that we have here. Going to go down to the bridge that crosses the Kookanusa Reservoir. February, oh boy, 3rd, 24th, it's Friday. I don't know what the day is. It's February 23rd or 24th, something like that. Isn't that cool looking? Look at that. Neat rock formation here. Look at all that moss, and that is on the north side of the tree. That's for my son. He was arguing with me earlier. He said it was a myth. It could be. I don't know. Goodness. That tree has a lot of moss on the north side. That's all I'm saying. I love the way it stair steps. We'll be going round the corner when we go. Alright. Some more up here. Let's see, no one behind me. Okay. I kind of watch it through here. Just make sure there's no one behind me. That's a pretty one. Now see, that moss there is on the southwestern side. But you know, it's also on the north a lot too. Alright, so that's the last of those. They're right ahead of us. Okay, looks like it's clear behind me. So we'll just cruise on here just for a moment. Now here the last few days, the temperatures have been down -14 and, you know, just Frosty the Snowman weather. Absolutely horrible. But it could be even worse. I know there's other places that are cold. I got friends that live up in Fargo for some reason. I still So we're getting ready to cross the Kookanusa Bridge. Yay. Guys out on the snowcats. Helps keeping gear. You can tell by the, let's see here. I'll have to get across the way, but they've got it lowered. I'll pull up here a little bit. Get across this. This reservoir is 100 miles long, give or take. There's like 70 of it or so is in the United States, and then the rest goes on up into Canada. It's about this wide most of the way, 3/4 of a mile wide most of the way. 300-400 feet deep. Oh, here's a good shot. There's no one coming. This is nice about being out of the city. You don't have all that traffic you have to deal with out there. I don't know how you folks. Okay, here we go. See the beach out there? See all the lines? That's where's my finger at in this camera? Oh, yikes. So yeah, right there and way on up. It's usually back up into about way up into there. So yeah, it's down pretty low. There's a road on that side too. There's roads on both sides of the reservoir, but there's an older road on that side that we're turning around here on that goes on down the other side. You can get to Libby that way, and it is very, very scenic. Actually, there are a couple of my videos, I think, of doing the firewood are on that side of the reservoir, and that's where we came across. So, anywho's, turned around and show you where we were at. Wonder what that one waterfall looks like that I hiked up to. I was thinking about that, but that's a heck of a canyon in there, and it's getting ready to be springtime, and the critters are hungry, and the wolves are hungry, and the bears and the mountain lions. I feel like I'd just be walking into a dinner plate. They'd see my scrawny little 2-bit. Okay, turned around, here we go. Hey folks. So yeah, back off down that way. That's headed south, and back off that way. That's north. Right over there against the wall. That's where we were filming the nice waterfalls. Anyways, okay. Thanks for watching, everybody. Take care. See you soon.